Hello, just a quick video showing the progress we're having on the synchronized animations. So one of the issues we have is it's very difficult to place the synchronized animations in the proper way so that it fits the movement. It seems to be some kind of offset for every animation, and yeah, there's no real way to determine it. So what I've done instead is to use the edit scene functionality. So when you record the synchronized animation, you're now expected to go in there and edit it afterwards in the edit scene. So let's just show how that works. We already have a synchronized animations. Now assign to alt num1. We're just recording a scene now, playing that back, and we just walk a few more steps. So if we go into the edit scene, we can now see that we have several recordings, and if you swap between the recordings and you get to the anim, we are now playing it back where it is at this moment. So we're playing back in slow motion just to be able to more easily synchronize. So if you see, by default, if we just run the scene now just to see how it works, we're just recording from one actor. You see it runs through, and then as it goes to the animation, it skips all the way back, and then it walks over again. So what we want to do is actually then manually to move this recording so that it fits within where we want. So then we swip to the right animation of the recording item, and then as we press space we can move it. So when you stop the movement, then also the actor will go around. We can also change the rotation, so if we want to have that rotation 60, it doesn't update for you. And one issue with rotation is that it sort of turns the scene somewhere totally else. So we've done the rotation now, and let's move it back where we want it. Again, what I'm doing is just selecting the recording item and moving the camera, then it updates. So let's move it a bit further back, around maybe here. And you can also now hold the control key to do minor adjustments in this camera, so it moves it very slightly. So let's try now this with playing it back. As you see, it's closer, still a bit too far distance, and that is the recording items. Of course, they don't necessarily start at the exact location. There's parameters saying, well, can I continue to the next recording item? For example, with movement, I check, are you close enough, maybe 2 or 3 sort of distance from it, then you're able to move forward. And the reason for that is we need to have a smooth motion. So let's move that slightly back again. Let's try and see how it works now. I'll still do it a bit further back. Just going to swap this there, and we move back ever so slightly. So the recommendation is to first get the rotation right, then you can start doing this minute tweaking of the animation. So now it looks a lot better. There are a few things. You can also say use the actor's location instead. That wouldn't be recommended here, but it is what's being done when you have those animations which are not proper sync, that they don't teleport you to a location, they just run at the same time. Right, see ya.